What if I told you that you don't need years of grinding, expensive gear, or even a massive audience to explode on YouTube? Because right now, there are creators pulling in millions of views using a system so simple, most people completely overlook it. And today, I'm going to break down exactly how you can use that same strategy to grow fast, gain subscribers, and turn those views into real money through YouTube ads. Let's get into it. Most people start YouTube the wrong way. They think success comes from better cameras, more editing, more effort. They spend weeks tweaking thumbnails, obsessing over equipment, and trying to make everything perfect before they even hit upload. But the truth is, none of that matters if people don't click and watch. Because YouTube is not about effort, it's about attention. And the creators who grow the fastest understand one thing. You don't need better content, you need better ideas. A simple video with a powerful idea will outperform a high production video with a weak idea every single time. Here's the first strategy. Build content around curiosity. The fastest growing channels don't just upload videos. They create loops that people can't ignore. They make the viewer feel like they're about to discover something important. Think about this. Instead of saying how to make money online, you say I tested 10 ways to make money online and here's what actually worked. Instead of saying how to grow on YouTube, you say I copied a viral YouTube strategy and this is what happened. Now there's tension, now there's curiosity, now people need to click to find out the answer. That's the difference between a video that gets ignored and one that explodes. Curiosity is what drives clicks, and clicks are what start the entire growth process. Second, keep it simple, but add a twist. You don't need complicated content. In fact, simple content wins because it's easier to consume and easier to produce consistently, but here's the key. You need a twist that makes your content stand out. That could be storytelling, where each video feels like a mini journey. It could be using text-based visuals that keep things fast and engaging, or it could be a unique style that people instantly recognize when they see your video. The goal is to make your content both easy to watch and slightly different from everything else. When your content is simple and unique, it becomes scalable. And scalable content is what leads to millions of views over time. Third, optimize for retention, not perfection. This is one of the biggest mindset shifts you need to make. Most creators try to make their videos perfect. They focus on editing, transitions, and polishing every detail. But YouTube doesn't reward perfection, it rewards watch time. That means your number one job is to keep people watching for as long as possible. The way you do that is through pacing. You remove anything boring. You get straight to the point. You make sure something new is happening every few seconds. A new idea, a new visual, a new piece of information. Because the moment a viewer gets bored, they leave. And when they leave, your video stops getting recommended, but if they stay even just a little longer than average, YouTube starts pushing your video to more and more people. Retention is what turns a normal video into a viral one. Fourth, make videos that feed each other. This is where most small creators miss a huge opportunity. They upload random videos on random topics with no connection between them, but the smartest creators build a system. They create videos that naturally lead into one another. One topic connects to the next, one idea builds on the previous one. This creates something called session time, which is one of the most important signals for YouTube. When someone watches one of your videos and then clicks on another, YouTube sees your channel as valuable. And when that happens, the algorithm starts recommending your entire channel instead of just one video. That's how you go from one video getting views to your whole channel growing rapidly. Fifth, focus on shareable content. If you want fast growth, your content needs to spread beyond just your audience. That means creating videos people want to send to their friends, post in group chats, or talk about in the comments. Ask yourself this before you upload. Would someone send this to someone else? Would someone say, you need to watch this? If the answer is no, your video might struggle. But if the answer is yes, your content has the potential to take off. Shareable content creates exponential growth because every viewer has the potential to bring in more viewers. Sixth, post for momentum, not perfection. This is where you separate yourself from most people trying to grow on YouTube. In the beginning, consistency is more important than quality because every video you upload gives you data. It tells you what people click on, what keeps them watching, and what causes them to leave. And once you start seeing patterns, you can adjust. You can improve your titles, your thumbnails, your structure, and most importantly, you can double down on what works. That's how channels go from 0 to hundreds of thousands of subscribers. Not by guessing, but by learning from every upload and improving over time. Now let's talk about the part everyone cares about, money. Because views are great, but at the end of the day, you want to turn those views into income. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you unlock YouTube monetization, and that's when ad revenue starts coming in. On average, YouTube pays anywhere from $5 to $15 per 1,000 views, depending on your niche. So if your videos start getting 100,000 views, you could be making $500 to $1,500. And if you hit 1 million views, that could turn into $5,000 to $15,000. But here's the real power. It's not about one video. It's about building a library of videos that keep generating views over time. That's how creators build consistent monthly income from YouTube. Here's the real secret behind all of this. The creators who blow up are not lucky. They're strategic. They understand human behavior. They know what makes people curious, what keeps them engaged, and what makes them share content. And instead of reinventing the wheel every time, they repeat what works, they refine it, they improve it, and they scale it. That's the difference between someone who uploads randomly and someone who builds a successful channel. So here's what you need to do next. Don't overthink it. Don't wait until everything is perfect. Pick one idea, add curiosity to it, keep it simple, and upload. Because the sooner you start, the sooner you learn. And the sooner you learn, the faster you grow. And once you start growing, everything changes. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to Make Money AI for more strategies just like this. I've been your host, Axel, your AI host created, using HeyGen and ElevenLabs. And before you go, take action right now. Don't just watch this video, use it. Go create your first video today and start building your channel.